So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add USD Coin to your wallet here on MetaMask. So once the MetaMask app is opened up, go to the bottom left and press on Home, and then press on Add Funds, so the black button right here. Once you're here at the top, you can do one of two things. First and foremost, you can just scroll down to where it says USD Coin. You can go ahead and select that for simplicity. Or what you can do is go to the top search bar here, type in USD, and see a bunch of different USD coins that are being offered. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just select the one at the top. Now once you're on this screen right here, you can actually choose how much USD coin you want to add to your wallet. In this case, it's going to be $100, but you can go ahead and change this to 30. You can change this to 500, like whatever the case may be, you can proceed that way. So for example, I'll just do 50. And right below that where it says Apple Pay, you can either change this from Apple Pay or debit or credit. You can see how much USDC will actually follow. So in this case, I'll just go ahead and press continue and then press on and continue this way. So once you're on this page right here, you can actually go ahead and just fill in your information, verify your identity, and if all looks good, go to the bottom, press continue to proceed this way with the transaction. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to add USD coin to your wallet on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.